How's it going, guys? Today we are going to program the remote on this 2012 Kia Soul. I generate the remote with my km100 Max. Let's go ahead and turn the ignition on. Kia. Okay. America. Soul. Okay, let's come back. Let's see if we can go by the VIN. Okay. Beautiful. Go straight to the system. Okay. Blade key. Control unit. Remote system. Remote control learning. Remote control learning. Okay, turn the ignition on and then off. And then the screen is gonna be black. On, off, pull the key out. Okay. Okay, program succeeded. Would you like to program the next one? No. Program is completed. Okay, now let's check if the remote is working. Okay, let's test it outside. Close. Open. Let's set the key over here. Boom. Boom. Okay, now let's test it. Start the car. Okay, if you need a flip key for your Kia Soul or whatever cars you have, give me a call and get a price quote. Okay, thanks so much, guys. Thank you.